What's up, adventurers? We're here at the More Expo, and in this video it's just going to be the random show of like all kinds of cool stuff that I found here, and there is a lot of cool stuff. So if you just want to see what's here before you dive too deep in, check the timestamps on the description and you get to see all the brands that are in this video. Here we go.
Hey guys, this is Daniel from Taruca Adventure Gear. I would like to show you our 270 Plus XE awning that we have on display today. It is a wraparound awning on the left, and it all goes away onto the back. And to give you a little bit of a quick feature list that we have the integrated wire lights into every single arm. So there's 6 LEDs with integrated wiring, so you have no dangling wires all over the awning, with a single plug to a 12-volt cigarette lighter connection. As you can see on the arms, we have like risers for light rainfall, and it also gives that additional space underneath. We do include the 4 legs on each arm. That was something that customers really wanted, just in case that when the wind gets in, that they have that safety aspect as well. So on the arms we have with the lights, we have different colors with a touch sensor. So as you touch them, it will circle through the light colors. And if you do hold it in, it will go into a bit of a dim mode. So you can adjust it to the setting that you want on each and individual arm. So the 270 XE runs at $13.99, and the weight of the awning is at around 72 pounds. So regarding about mounting on the awning to your roof rack, we have these standard T-slot brackets. It's also height adjustable, and these go in line with the T-tracks on the back of the awning. This is on every single type of awning, and with the hardware, it comes with these M8 bolts that slide into the track with the washer and also with the nut on top. If you have a universal mounting solution, you can use these little T-slot that goes into the rail. If not, you can use it for that is specified for your roof rack or bed rack. Other accessories that come with the awning are the quick release ratchets. So this is one that is going to tie down your awning, and these are your guy lines, exactly the same with a quick release action. So it makes it much easier to set it up. And it also comes with these screw-in stakes with a 13mm socket, so you can use an impact drill to put it in the ground. So for our shower ensuite that we designed, it's a little bit different than others on the market, is that we have the mesh vents on the top, so you can allow that fresh air to come inside the awning. You can close them to give them 100% privacy. It's fully height adjustable from 72 to 87 inches. It does come with a roof and with a floor. And this entire setup actually goes into the bag that is mounted on this truck. Another amenities that we have is a large dry bag for your clothing. And on the other side, we have a small dry bag and a wet bag for your other items that you have. You can access this awning through the shower and actually open the entire zipper to access your vehicle or your trailer.
My name is Stuart. I'm with Born Outdoor. I'm here to kind of show you the Badger bed. This is our system we're using to sleep outside, and it's just kind of how everybody sleeps every day. We all sleep on a mattress with sheets and quilts, and so what we're doing is kind of showing you can sleep outside as well with this. So what we have here is the overall Badger bed, and this all zips up this way. So it kind of keeps all your bedding clean. So whether you're in a rooftop tent, on a ground tent, or whatever it is, you've got this, this all covers up. This top material is a breathable material with a slight DWR on it, so it stretches as well as keeps a little bit of the water off you. It is not waterproof. It's a question we often get asked. So basically what we have here is a whole bed. It starts with a mattress, which is a thermarest pad. It's protected by the Badger bed. You have this big heavy-duty 610D ripstop material in here, which means you can sleep directly on the ground. You don't have to worry about damaging your pad. This pad is an R7 rated pad. The R value measures the convection between heat transfer through there, so it's a really warm pad. After that, we have sheets. Basically, a bottom fitted sheet, a top sheet, and quilts. The quilts all have a snap system with it, so you can add a second layer to it as well. So this right here, 40 degrees, but we have people sleeping down into sub-zero temperatures with this, adding different blankets. Everything you're seeing here is rolled up into here. So inside here, it weighs about 16 pounds, and everything right there is all rolled up. All this is rolled up inside here. As I mentioned before, you've got these different blankets we have. We've got a wool blanket that we have. This is bougie. This is really nice. It's a really high quality wool blanket that's made by Faribault Mills, and we've done a collab with them. It has a snap system as well, so it integrates fully into the Badger bed systems. You add this one with this right here, you can get down to sub-zero temperatures. We also have a down blanket. So the way this system works, kind of like you do is like you sleep at home, is you have one system, you get cold, you add another blanket, you get hot, you take your blankets off. So that's it. So this is Born Outdoor. We make the Badger bed. You can find us at bornoutdoor.com.
So I'm Arthur with EcoFlow. I'm a marketing manager for EcoFlow. And here's our newest refrigerator. This one is 55 liters freezer and fridge. So it has dual zone. You can remove this, make the one zone. And it opens both ways. Yeah. And it has a built-in battery. You can take it out. Yeah. And it runs up to 40 hours with a battery, up to. And this one is 55 liters. We also have 45 liters and 35 liters. Yeah. And we also have this new AC and heater. So this one, it has a sliding battery, so it can be 2 wireless. With this sliding battery, it can run up to 8 hours. And if you don't have the battery, you can just plug into the portable power stations or whatever power source you need. You can put a tube here, and it goes into your tent. You put it here, and put it here. It goes into a tent, so it can cool your tent. And that's the exhaust. So the air goes in and goes out. This is the air you want. It's cooling right now. Yeah. See, you can adjust the airflow. You can adjust temperature here. Yeah. And different mode, cooling or heating. Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, how you doing, everybody? I'm Brian with Tembo Tusk, and today I want to show you guys the Scuttle. The Scuttle is our self-contained cooking gear. It's similar to cast iron, same concept, super easy to clean, seasoned right from the factory, made right here in California, so we're not supporting overseas manufacturing. It allows you to consolidate all that bulky gear from cast iron and pots and pans, and you can cook everything here in one shot. From pizza to pasta to cinnamon rolls, all in one piece. And the best part is, not only is it super versatile, it flat packs all into this little green case that you see right here. It comes with the wooden leg table. It comes with the wind guard, which is connected to the burner. It also comes with the lid, and it comes with a steam tray. The steam tray allows you to go ahead and do pizza, cinnamon buns, croissants, anything you can think of on the trail.
Hey guys, my name is Christian with Titus Adventure Company. So we have one of our rental vehicles out here. It's a Toyota 4Runner. It has all the camping gear included and unlimited miles. We're based out of Denver, Colorado. That includes sweet stuff like the awning here, air down kit from ARB. We also have the Dometic fridge, ARB drawers with all the goodies to hold your food and snacks. Like I said, all the camping gear is included as well. Pretty sweet. We got leveling blocks, medical kit, as well as a little snow shovel and stuff back there. But yeah, pricing's around $300 a day. Like I said, mentioned earlier, unlimited miles, so that's amazing. Pretty clean. Of course, they're all leather TRD Pro versions, so they're all decked out, got the locking differentials and all that good stuff. Even have the phone holders and Kleenexes for you guys. So yeah, sweet rig. We have 13 vehicles in the fleet, so.
We have simple salsa. It's a dry mix. You take a scoop of the mix and put it with a can of diced tomatoes in your blender for 60 seconds. I use an immersion blender, and it makes a pint of salsa. There's 18 scoops in each can. This is what it looks like when you get it done. Very good. Perfect. Thank you.
Hey, what's up? I'm Tim from Mothy Offroad, and today we've got the SR400 solar rack here. This is a 400 watt solar panel. We got 200 watts up on top. When you get parked at your campsite, you unlock the slide, pull out your second 200 watt panel. So now you got 400 watts of power to keep your batteries topped up. Whenever you're ready to pack up and go, unlock it, push it in, and you're ready to hit the trail. All right, so you saw the prototype that I built over here on my truck. That was just the first one I built out for myself. So I didn't really plan on selling it, didn't really polish it. But this is a production unit here. This is a little bit smaller model. It's the SR240, so 240 watts. 120 up top, 120 down below. Slide that out, and you're ready to go. And as you can see, you can mount things to it. I've got my Starlink mounted on that side, but we've got other mounts and accessories in the works. Lots of other stuff coming soon.
Hi, I'm Tom Brawley. I'm the inventor and founder of Adventure Trail Outfitters and the Overland Shower. This has been recognized now as the highest performance portable water system on the market. One of the reasons why is what you see right here in this horizontal stream of water. We have the highest water output of any system out there in the market. You can see that everything is just pressure sensitive, so once you have power supplied to our water pump, which is located inside the case, all you have to do then in order to control the system is just on and off right here. Another feature that we have that no other system on the market has is we have a switch. It's right under here. This is what your igniter and your heat exchanger works off of, is that switch. You'll see that when I turn it on, you have nothing. This is just pressurized water. This is a way to just be able to rinse off gear and everything like that without consuming LP. But when you're ready, you flip that switch. You'll see the digital indicator. You can see the flame in there. And now we're getting hot water. And you can see how fast that temperature is actually increasing. Based on right here, the gas control, minimum to maximum, you can control that temperature and find your own comfort zone when you're ready. And if you're doing something in order to, like the Navy shower, to conserve water, once you've wet down, you can just turn the system off. Now you're soaping up, you're shampooing, you're lathering up and everything like that. In 1 minute, you've consumed about 1.1 gallons of water in that wet down phase of it. But now you're ready to rinse off. When you hit this, when you hit the switch back, everything takes you right back to where you were when you turned it off. And so the idea now is that you have about 2 minutes to actually rinse off, get the shampoo out of your hair and everything like that. And 2 minutes is plenty of time when you have this kind of water pressure to get the soaps and the shampoos off of you. So after 2 minutes, you're done now, and you've only consumed about 3.5, under 4 gallons of water to get a great shower out there in the field. Another thing about, we were talking about LP consumption. The fact that we actually just pressurize water and you don't have to burn LP every second that the system's operating, you can go out for an entire weekend with just one of those little 1-pound cylinders. That's good for 45 minutes of hot water. You can go to the overlandshower.com. Thank you very much for your time.
Hi, I'm Cora Jokinen with Oris Adventure Cooking. Want to show you our scuttle. What makes this really unique is we have a cast iron pan, and this pan is also removable, so you can install the 3 stainless legs and cook over a fire with your cast iron. And when that happens, you still have a burner on a stand. So this burner on a stand, you can boil a pot of water, you can put a coffee pot on there, you can do whatever you want. We also have a wind guard here that will help reduce wind in heavy windy areas. And then we have an optional grate. So this grate is for extra stability if you want to cook something big in a pot, like do a southern boil or cook up some lobsters. So you can do that. And then we also have an optional high output burner. And that's if you want to do something like canning or boil, make some beer, you can do it in a big pot on this. And then you still have your cast iron to cook on as well. One of our prototypes here, we're doing an adjustable leg. And with the leg fully collapsed, it'll fit in the bag, so you don't need a leg bag anymore, and more efficient packing for much quicker cooking.
Hi, welcome to More Expo. I'm Brian with Venture Tech Pro, founder and CEO. Just want to talk about the ruggedized tablet that we have created. It's a fully functional tablet that is waterproof, dustproof, sandproof, vibration resistant, and drop resistant. We also created a lockable mount cradle that is based on the amps pattern, and we worked with RAM to work with the mounting solutions on the 1-inch ball platform. So here it is mounted on the motorcycle, just using the crossbar. This tablet has the hardwired power supply, comes The Pro Pack comes with the cradle and all of the mounting solutions from RAM. Beautiful thing about the tablet is that it's a fully functional tablet. So any mapping or navigation application that you want to use, as long as it's on the Google Play Store, will work on here. So if you have Gaia, you can use that. If you're an Onyx guy, you can use that as well. And then when you get to camp and you want to connect to your Starlink, it's got Wi-Fi, so you can connect to your Starlink and stream movies or update your Instagram or just check out on Facebook. It also has SIM card capability, so you can make this, you can get just an open SIM card, either from T-Mobile or Verizon, AT&T. Has 8 gigs of memory, expandable to 256 gigs via an SD card. And that's it.
Hey, thanks for watching this. If you've never been to the More Expo, this was my first year, and it's kind of that perfect, like, middle-sized expo. Not too small, not too large. Easy to kind of like rip through it in a day or take your time and see it in 2 days. Weather held out really well. Just the vibe's great, man. Everybody's chilling and really enjoying themselves. So if you're anywhere in the Midwest, I'd say come check it out. It's really close to some killer mountain bike spots down in Arkansas, if that's your jam. Otherwise, yeah, good road trip. Thanks for watching. If you like this, hit like, hit subscribe. We cover a lot of fun stuff. We're headed to a lot more events this year and testing some killer stuff. So hopefully we'll see more of you soon.